Hey Sam, what are you doing?
Shut up.
No, what are you doing?
I'm throwing pizza crust to birds.
Why?
Because I want them to love me. Take a video on your goddamn fucking camera.
Yeah. I wanted to see the little birds, but I think they left.
Little birds. Sorry, lady. Little birds love me. If I just threw a bird on the lady's head.
No, don't do that.
Do it.
No!
Yes. They're gonna go. This is probably littering at this point.
Do you think they love you yet?
No. They all left. That fucking car. They hate me now.
This isn't even bread, it's our goddamn pizza.
It's still bread. You made pizza with bread. Oops.
You're just throwing it inside the bus stop.
I'm making an attempt. Okay. I just want them to love me. No. This is not working out to the best of my abilities. Bird, love me. Bird, they're coming back. I'm loved again.
Flings bread. I'm loved!
Yes. Just eat the fucking bread. You're wasting so much video space on me.
Yeah, you're cute.
Gay.
I'll upload my SD card soon anyways.
I got gay.
I upload it like every night.
Yes. Every night?
Yeah.
Nice.
I like to be able to format my card. It makes me feel cleansed of sin.
This is so much fucking bread. Why don't you eat it? I care about bread a lot. Okay.
Or, do you have anything else to say, or can I stop? Do you have anything else to say about the birds? By the birds?
No.
I love you.
It's gay. I want heterosexual bird love.
Wow, okay, should I just leave you?
No, I want you to love me too. Yeah, I can't make you love me with bread.
I could make you love me with bread.
Yeah.
I don't know how to stop filming.
Bye.